eyes will be on Narendra Modi's rally in Lucknow. That's expected to be something that's not been seen before, with over 5 lakh people expected to attend. And of course, UP remains a key state for Uttar Pradesh and also for Narendra Modi, who is expected to contest from one of the seats in that particular state. We don't know yet which seat that is, but let's take a look at those preparations ahead of that rally.
We are here at the Ramabai Ambedkar rally ground in Lucknow, the venue for Narendra Modi's big show on Sunday. Ramabai Ambedkar rally ground, coincidentally, is one of the most organized rally grounds created by BSP Supremo Mayawati at one time. The interesting fact is that so large is this ground that no other party has ever held a rally in this ground, because it takes not 1, 2, but over 3 lakh people to actually fill this rally ground. And for that, sources in the BJP are saying that no stone has been left unturned to ensure that lakhs and lakhs people come over for this rally. This rally is the last in the series of the first phase of rallies by Narendra Modi in Uttar Pradesh. The next phase will start only after the election campaign starts. And then Narendra Modi from here will be moving on to Bihar. Coincidentally, the BJP is also trying to encash on the image of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The stage has been prepared, and there is a lone picture of the ex-Prime Minister of the BJP and one-time mascot of softer Hindutva in the BJP, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. A large arrangement, a police force is in place. Mr. Vijay Pathak, one of the principal spokespersons of the BJP in Uttar Pradesh, is with us. Vijay ji, कितनी बड़ी रैली है ये?
देखिए, हम ऐतिहासिक रैली करना चाहते हैं और उसके लिए हमने योजना बनाई है। और उत्तर प्रदेश में इस मैदान में बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी के बाद पहली पार्टी होगी भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो इस मैदान में रैली करेगी। इसके पहले न तो इसमें किसी ने उतनी भीड़ ले आई होगी, न कोई आगे ला पाएगा।
लेकिन ये भीड़ तो आप भी जो ला रहे हैं वो नरेंद्र मोदी के आने के बाद जो उत्साह है उस पे ला रहे हैं, यानी ये भीड़ नरेंद्र मोदी के आश्रय पे आ रही है एक तरह से।
देखिए, यह तो स्वाभाविक है कि देश में जो लोग भी चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं वो मोदी जी के ही नाम का सहारा है।
ये बताइए कि कितने बड़े संख्या में लोगों को ला रहे हैं, कैसे पता लगे कि लोग आप ला रहे हैं कि नहीं ला रहे हैं?
देखिए, 29 ट्रेनें हमने बुक कराई है।
रेलगाड़ियां 29
ट्रेनें हैं। अब तक रिकॉर्ड है 19 ट्रेनें लखनऊ में आई हैं बीएसपी ने, हमने 29 की। 650 हमने राज्य परिवहन निगम की बसें बुक की हैं।
Gentleman in charge of the entire security apparatus here, Mr. Subhash Chandra, is with us. So, what kind of security measures have been taken, given the fact that what happened in Patna earlier? There has been a heightened security concern.
We are prepared for that, and we are making 3-tier arrangement for that, and strong AS check as well as our access control, strictest access control.
You have sanitized the area in terms of the bomb disposal, and other checks have been done?
Definitely. Everything has been already done, and it will be again done.
So you took over the area some time back for this?
No, we are basically here for the last 1 week.